civilian-owned aerobatic jet team in our United States of America. Paul Sticky Strickland at number 4. And at number 5, our former Blue Angel, the man, the myth, the legend. That's right, first commanding officer of the very first F-35 squadron. None other than Scott Intake Carpet. Yeah, baby, and at number 6, he's our founder, the inspiration. Out of Discovery Bay, Randy Howler Howell. Folks, show left, your Patriots loop roll combo.
Boom. Baby, we bringing our toys. Separate men from the boys. Chopper was singing, should be on the voice. Bang, bang, we gon' ride out. Gang, gang, we don't die out. Want it like this, ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find
out. Oh, yeah, what a beautiful night. Watch as Wilbur calls blue out. Ready now. Watch those 2 outriggers pull from the formation.
Go ahead, go in peace. Bang, bang, leave you sleep.
Tick, tick, boom.
Hard body, and not scaring nobody. You make no result to ride.
Yeah, look at that as 1 through 4 complete the diamond roll. And with Stella, your mission was within reach. Full spectrum agility, American made. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a jet flying to the left. That black jet all alone. Number 5, and to the right, we've got number 6. Watch as that smoke comes on. They'll pull back George, show center, with over 700 miles an hour of closure. Watch for your first of many Patriots opposing hits. Let's go, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Now look out to the right. We got those 2 Thunderbirds together. Now watch as Sticky rolls inverted. Canopy to canopy style. What would Maverick and Goose think? Yes, here we go. Now, is that vertical? Hey folks, are you having fun? On the right.
Are you up all night?
Get ready for a beautiful hit right over those Thunderbirds F-16s.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah, baby.
Let's do this.
Now watch that blue jet on show left. That's John Pawson. Hello, 5 and 6. That blue jet flies straight up at over 4th Tower of Power. Now watch the red jet as he flies into what we call the squirrel cage. Now as Boards follows him through the squirrel cage, I think up there I can see some satellites. We have over 200 satellites up in space with Stellan's equipment. Yes, sirree, ladies and gentlemen. We are so proud to be honored and sponsored. Get your cameras ready from behind show center. Yes, sirree. Now watch. As intake calls, break, ready now. Now watch as all 3 jets fly to all 3 corners of this sterile aerobatic box. They'll pull back towards show center. And we're gonna see amazing opposing hits. That's what I'm talking about. side, out to the right, falling out of the sky. And over. Yes, sirree, here he comes. Now watch John. He'll down some. But a sneak pass from number 2. So folks, we're back. Oh yeah. Off to the left, I've got one jet. Now I've got another on the right. Watch this opposing hit right at show center. Oh, yes. Dash with the sneak pass.
Some new toys, not a hostage, not a scapegoat, not a thing wrong, except your cutthroat. We got ways to go, we need a stepping stone. I guess we're on our own. Ain't that a bitch?
Get those cameras ready out to the right. We've got 3 aileron rolls. And Sticky flies that beautiful knife edge. And there's Howler and Intake with the Krolls up above.
Do you believe that you can win this fight tonight?
So folks, right here, we're going to turn it down a little bit and we're going to honor the men and women serving this incredible country. We've got our 2 former Thunderbirds out here at show left for the Thunderbird tribute roll. They'll fly back down towards show center. Watch it to keep the blood from pooling lower extremities. Yeah, this looks good here, Sticky. Let's do this. Thank you, Sticky. Watch the inverted hit. For the echelon pass.
I should be scared on it, but I am worried about it right.
Remember, this show brought to you today by Stellant Systems, components for AMRAAM missile seekers, Patriot air defense missiles and radars, airborne electronic protections, and much, much more. Now watch, Wilbur's gonna call the Diamond back together. Today it'll be a 3-ship. But back behind show center, ladies and gentlemen, watch 5 and 6, Intake and Howler. Folks, the inputs on the controls in this maneuver. Those 2 boys are working hard. Bringing you some AIRSHOW action.
Got a brand new blues that I can't explain. To think I was.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I want to thank everybody for sticking tough with us. Hey, March Air Reserve Base. Ladies and gentlemen, are you having fun? Yes, sirree. We're going to have some more AIRSHOW action. Get in there, Howler. Let's go. There he goes. He's got him now. Wilbur's going to call left turn. We've got 4 jets out at the left. We've got that Blue Angel playing evasive maneuvers. Yeah, he's out in the distance. I know you love those Patriots opposing hits. Gentlemen, that red and white smoke on the left. There's number 5 on the right. Check this out.
I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Because I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
5 back together. Wilbur's calling a right turn. We're going to bring those airplanes in for a beautiful, beautiful belly up pass. You get to have a look at the beautiful black, shiny bottoms of these L-39s. That's right, the light attack fighter built out of the Czech Republic. Keep an eye on them. And then after that, we have something special for you all. And boy, are we excited that you got your kids off the couch and off the iPads and iPhones out in the fresh air. That's right. Oh, and iPads. Yes. Thank you. The youth of America, baby. We are having some fun right now. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2023 Patriots Jet Team Belly Up Pass. Yes. Now, folks, we're going to turn it down just a little bit. We're going to tell you about a formation that our United States Navy came out with back in the 1930s. This formation is about honoring a fallen hero. Ladies and gentlemen, today we would like to honor a manufacturing technician from Stellant Systems. His name was Eric Diaz, a committed employee to Stellant. So that your children, your grandchildren know who that family member was. It's your duty to your family. And I just want to thank you guys, and I've got one more question for you. Are you ready for some more AIRSHOW action? Yeah, let's turn this thing up, baby. Get your cameras ready. Your Patriots Jet Team. We're We're not done with you yet. Oh, yes. Wilbur, let's get this show going, baby. We've got a grand finale for you. So get those cameras ready. He'll fly those jets to the left. He'll head them straight here towards Show Center. Man, are we having some fun at March Air Reserve Base. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2023 Patriots Jet Team. That's Howler, number 6. Here's Stash, number 2. Yes, sir, there's Wilbur. Yes, sirree. There's Sticky. Yes, and last but not least, Scott Intake Card.